Hey guys, it's Eric here at Farpoint Mowers and More. I'm down here at Home Depot. Figured I'd show you the Cub Cadets they got out here. They got two LT42s. These are the XT1 series. I do dig this. Check that out. They got LED front headlights in there. Those are kind of mean looking. And it says IntelliPower, improved performance. This is also plastic hood on this. That's not metal. Not sure how I feel about that. That engine there, I believe, is a Briggs & Stratton, but I'm not actually sure on that. I don't know what that is. It could be a Kohler. Not positive. Fuel tank's up here in the front. Dash got the fuel filler there. That's a little nicer than that John Deere we were looking at there. No hour meter on this one, but a little cubby up front for stuff. Nice. 42-inch deck, stamped deck. Is a cast iron front though. Also has 20-inch rears. And it is hydrostatic, you can see here. Seats look a little, to me, I think the seats look a little better on these than they do on the John Deere's. A little more padding here, a little higher back on it. Small battery though, look at the size of that battery. That's a teeny battery, man. That's gonna cost you extra to have that when you have to replace it anyway. Yes, that's Cub Cadets. I'm not sure who's making Cubs anymore. You know, they used to be their own animal. And then I think Aaron's and Cub Cadet are both made by the same company now, but I don't know what company that is. Go ahead and pop the hood on this one, see if it's any different. Nope, same thing. Anyway, good looking tractor. Good looking tractor. Till next time, my friends, take care.